Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss the concept of expression and the rules for evaluation of expression. First of all, what is an expression? An expression is simply a combination of variables or constants and operators and follow the rules of the C programming. Suppose if your expression belongs to C language, then the expression must and should follow the syntax of the C language. Now, whenever I am given an expression, we have to evaluate the expression. After evaluation of entire expression, it produces a single value. Expression produces a single value. Okay, now we will discuss the rules of evaluating an expression. For example, x is equal to a plus b into some c minus d. This is called an expression which contains the operands or the variables a, b, c, d and the operators multiplication, addition and then subtraction like this. Now, how do we evaluate expression? What are the rules you have to follow? The first and foremost important rule is if an expression contains a parenthesis. So first we have to evaluate the parenthesis. That is, the parenthesized expression is evaluated first. Suppose, if the parenthesis is nested, what do you mean by nested? For example, like this. This is called nested. That is, one parenthesis is enclosed within another parenthesis. Then what you are doing? In case of nested parenthesis, the evaluation begins from innermost sub-expression. Contains the parenthesis. First, we evaluate the sub-expression that contains the parenthesis. If it contains multiple number of parentheses, that is the nested parenthesis, first we evaluate the innermost sub-expression. Now, we have two rules. Generally, the precedence and associativity. So the two terms, the precedence and associativity, we have to follow. What do you mean by precedence? If an expression contains more than one operator, now which operator is to be executed first? For example, this is the expression a plus b into c. Now this expression contains two operators, plus and multiplication. Now which one is to be executed first? First a plus b into c or b into c plus a. That is, we have to follow the rules of the precedence. So for example, in arithmetic operators, division and multiplication along with modulo division has highest precedence compared with plus and minus. That means if an expression contains division plus, the highest priority is given to division. That is, first you have to perform division and then plus. That is the precedence rules. Now, when the associativity comes into picture, simple thing, if an expression is like this, a plus b into c by d, observe carefully here multiplication and division both have same precedence. That means if an expression contains more operators, that is more than one operator with same precedence, then we have to follow associativity. Associativity in the sense, the order of execution, either left to right or right to left, or right to left. For example, if you are using arithmetic operators, the associativity is from left to right. So in this expression, first we are performing this one. After that, we have to perform the division operation. Okay, this is expression. These are the rules that you have to follow for evaluation of an expression. In the next session, we will discuss what are the different precedence and associativity of different operators. Thank you.